Let's say you've got no real estate license, no connections, no cash in the bank. I'm about to show you exactly how I flipped my first piece of vacant land without ever stepping foot on the property, without spending a dollar of my own money, and turn that into a business doing 6 figures every single month. If you're broke and you want a real shot at changing your life, this is it. So look, in 2018, I was arrested. Football dreams gone, buried in debt. I was working at a pizza shop thinking this is how life was going to be. I tried a bunch of businesses that failed. Airbnb, solar, I burned through it all. And then in late 2023, I found vacant land wholesaling. That changed everything. In 6 months, I made over $500,000 flipping land I never even visited. So when I say you do not need money to start, I mean it, because I had none. So let me break down how this actually works. You are just the middleman. You find landowners who want to sell for cheap. You lock it up under contract, and then you flip that contract to a builder or a developer, someone who wants land, and you take your cut. There's no repairs, no contractors, no bank loans. You're just connecting point A to point B and getting paid. So now I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to get started. We're gonna hop on the computer here, and I'm gonna walk you through start to finish how to get your first deal for just about free. So the first step is absolutely essential, and this is going to determine how well you do. The first step is finding your market. You need to find a handful of markets that are extremely hot, that have a ton of action going on, a ton of land being sold, a ton of houses being built. So let's go ahead. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that right here. So we are on Zillow.com. Zillow is going to show you the data that you need to analyze to understand where to start. So here we're going to be on sold, okay? And lots and land, because we're looking at vacant land. And then we are going to do the last 90 days, because that shows a recent trend. If you're doing the last year, the last 2 years, it's too far back. Things have changed. You need to be looking at the last 90 days. As you can see, we have all these yellow dots here on the map. I like to turn on satellite so I can kind of see what I'm working with as far as the layout of the land. But all these yellow dots indicate that there is land being sold. And again, that's what you want to look for. You want to find an area where there's a ton of land being sold, a ton of action, where you can come in and get a piece of the pie. So as we're zooming around here, scrolling through, you can see certain areas are going to have a very, very concentrated amount of yellow dots, which means lots of land being sold. That's the first thing. That is the number one thing you want to look for. Okay, so let's choose this area right here, because this is pretty crazy. As you can see on my screen, you know, there's a ton going on in this very tiny neighborhood subdivision area where you're able to come in. As you can see, there's 85, 95 results in the last 90 days. You just need to account for one of those, and you just made 5 to 10 grand. So when I'm scrolling around here, I'm seeing all of these, right? I'm seeing all these lots, all this land being sold. Now, what's important, in addition to them being sold, are there houses being built, right? Is the land that's being purchased having a house built on it pretty quickly, right? Because if it's not, you are not going to be able to sell it, because there's no builders in the area that are currently buying land if there's no houses being built. And we sell to builders. That's who you are going to be selling these properties to. So you check for that by changing this right here to for sale. Home type, we're gonna switch it to houses and unselect lots and land, click apply. Last 90 days is okay. And then the year built, we are going to do 2025, okay? Because that's what year we are in. That shows the house has just been built, that it is a new build, new construction, okay? The builder is active, they're buying, they're building, they're selling houses. So 2025 right here, and we're gonna click apply. And as you can see, this market checks out. There's land being sold, and on top of that, there's houses being built. So you can see all these builders here, D.R. Horton, everyone is listed, right? Their contact information is right here, which we'll dive into in another step, but this is what you wanna look for, guys. You wanna look for these trends. And again, as I'm scrolling through Zillow, you can see these areas where there's concentrated action. That's where you want to be. That's where you want to start out, and that's how you're going to pick your markets. So again, we are looking for volume, for action, for a hot market. And when you find one market, that doesn't mean you are going to stop. You need to keep going. You need to find a ton. I want you to find at least 5 to 10 markets to start in, master each one, start doing consistent deals in each one before you rule a market out and say it's no good and go on to the next. So again, all you're doing, you're just scrolling through here. You're playing around, you're looking around, you're seeing what's going on, in what areas, where would you want to be, etc. So these are all good areas. At the end of the day, you can wholesale land just about anywhere that there's new construction. Okay, so here's another good area, right? There's a ton going on right here. Okay, so I would also want to check that there is houses selling. Boom, houses are selling. And I'm also going to check that there is land being sold, right? And there's not that much, which is not a bad thing because there's a ton of new construction, right? So it just means there's not as many lots available. And if you are to actually get one of these properties under contract, you will be able to sell it extremely quickly because there is a high amount of demand for these pieces of land, right? So you'll be able to sell it fast and you'll be able to sell it for a high price. So this is another good market right here. So again, you're scrolling through, you want to see that there's a ton of land being sold just like this and that there's also new construction. It is as simple as that. I don't want it to be overcomplicated. This is how you are going to find your markets and this is how you are going to get started. So step number 2, now that you have found and went through and know how to consistently find markets, you need to actually get this property data. We need to see who owns the property, where do they live, what is their contact information, etc. So we use propstream.com for this. PropStream is going to be $99 per month. I will drop a link in my bio here to sign up. It's $99 per month. You could do a 2-week free trial if you really need to. And here is where you will pull records to get the seller's information. So let's go on PropStream here and I'm gonna go through and I'm going to show you exactly how to compile this data, how to get your list ready so you can start contacting these property owners and making offers in the markets that you just discovered. So we're here in PropStream. I want to use Supply, North Carolina as an example here because it seems really hot. It seems like there's a lot going on and it is a good market. As you can see right now, we have over 20,000 properties. We need to narrow that down to a list that you can actually go through and put a dent in. So the first thing here is I want you to click on filters. We need to start filtering things out and going through exactly, what we're looking for. So we are looking for vacant land, specifically residential vacant land. So that's what I want you selecting here. Residential vacant land along with vacant land general. And also you want to filter these lot sizes here from 6,000 to 60,000 square feet because that is your typical size of a buildable lot that one of these builders is going to be looking for. Now that you have that, that's it right there for this section. MLS, you do not want on-market properties. Anyone can reach out to an on-market property. You are benefiting these home builders by bringing them off-market deals that they could not get themselves, and that's how you get paid big in between. So MLS, on-market, no. And then we are going to head over to owner information. Here's where it's very, very important. So typically I would put 6 years of ownership, meaning the owner of the property purchased it minimum 6 years ago at a much lower price. So now when you come in and you make them an offer, it's typically going to be above what they paid and they will be more than happy to get rid of the property. So also individual. You do not want to speak with corporations or trusts. You want to speak with individual owners that only own a couple of properties here. So we're down to 2,000 properties now, okay? Now the max I like to put for properties owned is typically going to be 6, just for the reason that, people that own more properties are typically using them for a long-term investment and you have a lower chance of actually getting that seller to agree upon selling. So now we are down to 1,356 properties, okay? That is a good sized list for you to start attacking, start making offers, and getting properties under contract. So now what you are going to do with that list is you're gonna click view here, and I want you to check this box. So you're gonna save the list, right? Your list is ready to go, the filters are correct. Now you just need to download it and get it ready to go. So you're gonna click add to list here on the right, create new. I would type in Supply, North Carolina, along with the date, which is May 6th. Okay, you can type it however you want, and I would just click save. So now you are saving that, and then when you go over here on your left into My Properties, you will have it right there. Okay, you will have that list right there, ready to go, and you can download it. So we have it saved, boom. All right, so we added this to the list, okay? And again, it's under My Properties on the left. We added it to the list, and now you're gonna go ahead and export that list. So all you're doing is checking it here, and you're going to click export. And once you export this list, it'll be downloaded as an Excel or a CSV file, which you can now skip trace and get these property owners' phone numbers and emails to start reaching out to them and making offers. This is how deals are done. It is this simple right here. It's exported, it's ready to go. So now we are going to hop into the third step, which is skip tracing the list and getting the owner's contact information. And now on to step 3, right? You have your markets, you have your list from PropStream, which we're gonna upload here to get skip traced, get the owner's contact information. We need phone numbers, right? That's how you reach out to them. PropStream does not provide phone numbers, okay? So we are here on kindskiptracing.com, okay? I will also put a link in the description for Kind Skip Tracing. This is what I use to skip trace and get all my lists, phone numbers, emails, everything you need to contact the seller. So we have our list, correct? So now we are going to go skip trace and submit a list, click submit, and we have our list right here that we just pulled from PropStream, which I'm gonna go ahead and upload into Kind Skip Tracing. Click next. Now you need to match all the columns, all right? You're mapping the columns, you need to match them. You need to make sure they are correct or your list is going to come back inaccurate, and you do not want that. Okay, so we are here and it automatically matches a few of these for you. So owner first name, owner last name, just make sure they're correct. Mailing list, and now we're going to do additional property columns. We need to get these mapped, all right? So that's already good, that's good, that's good. We're going to click proceed, remove all duplicate mailing addresses, and skip suppress, okay? Boom, so once you do that, you will enter the list name, supply, NC, date is May 6th, and pay with credits. All right, so we have just submitted that. It is going to take a few minutes to come back. Guys, keep in mind, when you sign up for Kind Skip Tracing, you are going to have to purchase credits. These credits are not expensive at all. This is one of the cheapest skip tracing platforms that you can use. That is also one of the best at the same time. So you don't want to use the super cheap skip tracing, because then you are not going to get correct phone numbers and you're wasting your time. So you do have to spend a couple bucks on this to make sure that you are getting proper skip traced information. So once you go ahead and you submit that right there to be skip traced, it'll take a few minutes. Once it's done, you'll simply just click download file, and you'll have it downloaded, and all the phone numbers will be on that list for you to go through and to start calling, texting, whatever you want to do. We will cover that next. Alrighty, so now step number 4, you have your list, it's skip traced, it's ready to go, you have the contact information. Let me show you before we hop into step 4 what the list looks like. So as you can see, right, we have all these phone numbers here. You got phone 1 type, phone 1 itself. Obviously, the first and second phone numbers are typically going to be the most accurate. Those are the phone numbers that you want to attack, okay? So if you are calling for free, right, and you don't want to spend money on any mass texting softwares or CRMs, things like that, you will manually be calling this list one by one, which I do not recommend, right? It's obviously doable. Eventually, you will get a deal. It will work. It's just much more labor, much more work, and not as efficient. So step number 4, guys, is going to be smarter contact. Okay, so step number 4, this is where the magic happens. We upload this list into Smarter Contact. Now, Smarter Contact is not free. This costs money, and I will drop a link in the description for Smarter Contact. But keep in mind, at the end of the day, this is a business. Every business costs money. Your job is to get in for as low of a cost as possible. Now, again, if you don't want to use Smarter Contact, that is fine. You can cold call these lists completely free and not have to worry about spending money on something like Smarter Contact. Smarter Contact is where you can take that list, which was about 1,300 records in Supply, North Carolina. You can upload it into Smarter Contact. You can text every single one of those owners at the same exact time. Let them know you are interested in purchasing the property. Hey, this is Alex. How are you? I'm interested in 123 Main Street. Would you have any interest in selling the property? So this is Smarter Contact right here. Again, I will link in the description for you to sign up if you are interested. There's plans anywhere from $300 all the way up to $2,000 per month, which you do not need. If you are a complete beginner, I recommend the $300 per month plan. Do not be scared to spend some money and sign up for things like PropStream and Smarter Contact. It will go a long way. It'll save you a lot of time. It'll make you a lot of more money to where it pays off and you don't even have to think about the price once you get your first deal. So we just covered a few things, right? All these softwares, this stuff you need to set up, it's important. At the end of the day, it will generate you more money, right? It depends, how serious do you want to take this? Do you want this to be a side hustle? Do you want this to be an actual business, right? There's two sides to it. If you want it to be a side hustle, you don't need Smarter Contact, okay? You can sit, you can cold call all day. It's gonna take you a bit longer to get a deal and actually make money. It's completely up to you. If you want to go and dive deep into actually running a business, obviously, look, I'm here to coach, guys. I'm here to help, and we have an in-depth coaching program, which you can actually see in my profile on Instagram, or just message me. We'll talk about it. We'll see what's the best fit for you, right? But look, if you're looking to do things for free, the way to go is getting these lists and cold calling them and manually texting them yourself. It's time consuming, it's inefficient, but it is a start. And I did that for 6 months and I made $500,000, believe it or not, doing it that way. Okay, but I was grinding, 8 to 10 hour days, really on the phone, pushing hard with a dialer, calling all these people one by one. So be prepared to do that. So again, there's 2 ways to do it, and you know what those 2 ways are. You need to pick and choose based on your budget. So now step number 5, okay, which is the last step. You gotta lock up the deal, get a contract signed, and flip it. You will just use a standard purchase and sale agreement. There is no secret agreement, all right? You can just Google it. You can have ChatGPT write you a wholesale real estate purchase and sale agreement, which is assignable. That's all you're looking for, a wholesale real estate purchase and sale agreement. So you will get that signed between you and the seller, and that is a contract you are able to actually flip to an end buyer without having to put a dollar of your own money into the deal. You do not have to worry about making a deposit on the property. The end buyer will do that. So once you get this property under contract, you are going to start calling these builders in whatever area that property you have is under contract, which again is very simple. Don't overcomplicate it. You can literally Google home builders supply North Carolina. You can go on Zillow and you will see that all these new construction listings, and I showed you, correct, how to look at new construction for sale, year built, 2025 houses for sale, once again, not sold, and you will be able to see who the builder is on those listings. You reach out to them, just let them know, hey, this is Alex, how are you doing? I have a lot here in Supply, North Carolina. I think, it'll fit the description as far as what you are looking for and what you are building your houses on. Can we go ahead? Can we get it sent over to you? We'd love to get this lot your way. Send it their way with all the details, with your asking price, and it is as simple as that. Most people overcomplicate this. These are the steps here. They think they need a website, a brand, all this fancy stuff. No, what you need is a phone, Wi-Fi, the right market, and consistency, right? You need to be doing this every single day. Making the calls every day, sending out the text messages every single day. That's what you need to be doing, putting in the hours. I've helped hundreds of students do this exact process, and many made, their first 10K in 30 to 45 days, even working a job. So if they can do it, you can do it too. And you cannot give up. You cannot stop texting people after your first 50 messages. You need volume, right? You don't call warm leads, people who say maybe, right? The maybes are money. That's a deal. You're not following up. You don't know your market. Every area is different. That's why I said find, 5 to 10 markets and master them. So you get those things wrong and you will struggle. You get them right, and then this is a gold mine. If you are genuinely serious about flipping your first piece of land and you do not want to waste 6 months making the same exact mistakes I did, click the link in the bio here, get into my free training. I will truly walk you through everything in more detail. It is 100% free. It is the real blueprint that changed my life, and you can change yours too. Let's flip some land.